Hi guys, welcome back. Let us see ukuthi nitheni after watching episode 14 of Tsanani's Tembu season 8. Unothando ke uthi sekukhathele no DJ wesigubhu umseleko must stop this madness. And then Bridget uthi I'm not Makhumalo's fan ne, but Umthombeni seems to have been taking advantage of Make's understanding nature, thinking she's a pushover. He is annoying. Umatsidiso uthi, I know my girl Umayeni won't be there, as Umacele has already told her that this ceremony is a ceremony to welcome number 5, not really a Thanksgiving. And then Usbongile uthi, may you remain forever disappointed in Selewu until you do the right thing. Stop being self-centered. Umia uthi ukhathele uyebo baba, and then Uvongaishe uthi, they all thought it was easy for Umacele. It was nice when they were coming for the husband, and suddenly it's looking hurtful. Ukekana uthi, Musa Mselegu, don't be disappointed to Umakhumalo because she's been helping you to handle this thing of number 5 very well. You can't bring a wife while the other wives are hurting about this situation. And then Ucebi uthi, you disappointed because she chose herself over obeying lemthetho yakho engamletheli injabulo. Makhumalo was your number 1 supporter, so ask yourself, ushintshwe yini? She's fed up. U-Angie uthi kanti why uMusa engayeki nje indaba ka number 5 cause akasaphilile and the girl is young. She needs more energy and there's high possibility ukuthi kulesi simo akuso ngeke akwazi ukubanelisa bonke. Nalento nje idala tension which gives him stress, which is not good for his health. He should be focusing on these 4 women. Bamthande, bamnakekele, baname, ikhaya libe mnandi. Lento ka number 5 ay inkinga nje. And then uMaggie uthi, Mangwabe is always looking so drained and bored. I've never seen her smile. Usliza uthi uThobile is angry because Umakhwela is her neighbor. Sisi, in this thing we call life, we share, we don't judge. And then Ulihle uthi, when people are so used to taking advantage of you, the day you stand up for yourself, they say you've changed and they'd be so disappointed on you. Like, really now? Unomcebo uthi, you disregard their feelings, ukhuluma amagama abhlungu. Mase umuntu etshengisa ukuthi hayibo ngikhathele bese uthi wena you are disappointed. Uwena Mthombeni i-disappointment la. All these women are beautiful human beings. Inkinga la uMthombeni osowenza kakhulu. Usihle uthi most of you are missing the point. Umakhumalo doesn't have a problem with number 5, but she doesn't want Musa to use her as a shield because the otherwise will continue saying that she knows everything about number 5 since they are from the same community. She wants their husband to tell the other wives the truth. Last week, Umayeni was demanding answers from her as if she knew something. Maria uthi, Makhumalo made a valid point. Yes, she's disappointed that Musa broke his promise by marrying someone from her hood, but she's not against number 5. But why mix the 2 occasions? Doesn't make sense that he will have a ceremony and the wives leave and then bringeke number 5. Uriki uti, didn't Ugel say she is fine with number 5 and Umayeni was said to be delusional? Oh Shibasi, my baby, you'll forever be famous for not pretending to be fine, yet you are hurting. Uniola uti, he wants her to foot the bill. This I have to agree with, guys. I really do think Mutujele Umakhumalo because, hey guys, catering yabis. And yeah, if ubetshele lama wives, I don't think khona bezothi yeah, yes, I'll go and search for a catering because obviously he was gonna pay for that. So he wanted Umakhumalo to pay for the catering veil. And then Umovambi uti, he's abusing her kindness. It's enough now, she's tired. And then Usibu uti, Umayeni said some people pretend for the cameras. Now even Umselegu doesn't understand the change of hearts kaMakei. Ukhuselwa uti, but Umusa, why is he telling the wife that Umacele ufuna ukubonga? I think Umato was saying to him, since they said they are serving her, she was trying to make a point about the money issue. Untabi saying, Uti, this guy never loved this girl. All she is to him is an employee. Damn, yo.